Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 16 Pro Max, and today I will show you how we can go through the setup process of this phone. So when you put it up for the very first time, you should be presented with a screen like you've seen right here, where it welcomes you. You want to swipe up and then find your desired language from the list. Next, select your region that you want to, or that you are from. I'm just going to choose whichever. And next we have appearance. So here we can just choose the size. There we go. Of everything. So that includes text along with buttons and everything around it. I'm gonna stick with default. Next we have quick start. Looking for nearby devices. This allows you to just simply set up your device. If you already have a Apple, for instance, tablet or something like that, you can quickly just set it up using that. I don't, so I'm just gonna do it the traditional way. Next we have choose a network, and this you actually need to do. For some odd reason, Apple doesn't allow you to set up the device without internet connection. So I'm going to connect to mine. Once you connect it, you do need to give it a moment. It's going to start checking something. The reason I'm saying checking something and not activating, because this device has already been activated before, so I'm not sure how it's activating it twice. Anyway, next we have data and privacy. We're gonna select continue right here. Next, set up your iPhone. So set up for myself or set up for child in my family. So you can choose either one of those. Just gonna be for myself right here. And this then allows us to add Face ID. Now I'm not gonna go and add my Face ID, but if you want to, you can do so. You just select continue and then do the typical kind of the face, just demonstrate it. So yeah, you can see you just kind of move it all around, and that's about it. I'm gonna set it up later in the settings. And next we have the create an iPhone passcode. So here you can select some kind of PIN for your device. You also have a couple other options, like alphabetical 1 or 4-digit. I do like the 4-digit, so that's what I'm gonna select. Use anyway. Now if you use a simple one, it does kind of pop up with this notification letting you know that this passcode can be easily guessed. Use anyway. There we go. Then we have transfer your apps and the data, so you can basically restore it from a cloud backup, from another iPhone, from PC or Mac, or another Android if you want to, or you can just set it up as new without transferring anything over. And next we have the Apple iCloud account. Now I'm not going to be signing into it, but for the most part you most likely want to do so, as using that allows you to obviously access things like the App Store and download applications and so on. So this is something that you will be most certainly using even if you don't want to. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to select forget password or don't have an account, and here I can select setup later in the settings and don't use. So this basically skips this sign-in page. Here we have terms and conditions that you can click to read exactly what you're agreeing to, and then just click on the agree button. Moving on, we have update your iPhone automatically. So whenever there is a new update available, the device will automatically download it and update it. I'm going to select continue. iMessage and FaceTime, and you can set it up by just selecting continue. Location services, turn on location services, or just set up later in settings. I'm gonna select turn on. Set up a cellular. So this is for eSIM if I'm correct. So it allows you to scan the QR code for your eSIM and just do it this way, or transfer from a nearby iPhone, or just set it up later in the settings. Then I have screen time. So this is just weekly reports of your usage. iPhone analysis. Help Apple improve its products by just basically spying on you. I'm going to select don't share. Light and dark display. So this is just basically dark and light mode for iPhones, or auto mode. So same thing that you have on Android if you've already seen that. I'm going to stick with the light one. Silent mode. So you can toggle silent mode on and off, or check in control center. You can kind of do that easily with the button right here anyway, which speaking of, I'm gonna select not now. I already know how to use this. Camera control, this is the button right here. Again, it's pretty self-explanatory, though it has a couple different features, which I guess it probably goes over right here. Let's see. So it looks like it just shows like the bare minimum. Yeah, okay. Anyway, let's go to the next page. Emergency SOS. So press and hold for emergency. I'm gonna hold, it looks like the power button along with volume up. Press and hold side button and either volume buttons to, okay, so either one of them will work. Car detection and so on. There's no option right here, so just select continue and then swipe up to basically navigate to your home screen. And there we go. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.